We love this. It is everything we hoped for and more. We have an older flat screen, extremely heavy, TV, and this is very sturdy. We feel it's very safe as well. When installed properly, it can bear the weight and be used to its full potential, as it can be moved to your desired angle. We would recommend this to all our family and friends. Easy install and looks and works great. TV hasn't fallen yet, so won't complain. Good quality. I have a 60-incher hanging on it now. Click link in description for more reviews.